Good morning, Abraham. This is Rich down here in San Diego. I'm the quantitative learning specialist down here. I run the tutoring center on the basically the math and statistics side. But let me make sure I got everything right here. Here's your email. You want to find the sample size for a moderated mediation, which is a term I have never heard before, but we'll look it up together, and specifically a model 5 where W is moderating the A and B mediators. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I had to look a lot of this stuff up. Moderated mediation from the web page. I got this model. So this sounds like what you're talking about here, right? So W is your moderator and A and B are acting as mediators, right? So if you do this diagram path here, you're going to get that. So what it looks like to me is a multiple regression model with 1, 2, 3 input variables, 1 output variable. Okay, so hold on. Let me pull up something we call G-power. This is how we find sample size these days. Remember, sample size is related to power. So we're just going to open up G-power. Once in G-power, we have to decide which kind of test you're doing. And you're using a multiple regression tests, which uses a lot of the ANOVA results to prove what it's proving. So it's going to be an F test, but it's not going to be the ANOVA F. It's going to be the multiple regression omnibus F. That's just a general overall multiple regression model with the number of predictors and one criteria variable, the DV. So multiple IVs, just one DV. That should do it. Click on that. These are presets from the computer, right? Effect size 0.15 is medium. Your critical alpha is 0.05. Just leave that alone. Power, we always cut that down to like 80% down here because that's significant enough. Number of predictors in your model, you have 3. And then basically you just kind of cross your fingers and hit the calculate button down here. Bam. And it tells us that your sample size should be a minimum. So 77 people is your minimum sample size. I hope this helped. See ya.